Use summary blocks to display content from certain collection pages, such as blog posts, events, or products in a variety of layouts. Before adding a summary block, you must first add content to a supported collection page, such as blog posts or product pages. To add a summary block, click Edit, then click an insert point. Choose Summary, and select a collection page to populate the summary block. Choose what content displays, then click on Design to change the layout and edit layout settings. Once finished, click Save. Please let us know if you have any other questions. We're always here to help.